It'd be awful cold out there without it. Good morning.
Good would have been at 10. You're a lot taller than I remember.
You ever ride one of these?
Not on the Hudson. So what do you want to do? Race me around the Statue of Liberty?
If there's time. You might need these.
Uh-oh. All right.
Bam.
Wow. How do I look?
Fabulous.
All right, I give. Where do I change?
So we'll go out past the wall, take a left, and it's pretty much a straight shot from there.
Straight shot to where?
Now, that's for me to know, you to find out. So look, what you do with these babies is...
Yeah, what I do with this baby is kick your ass.
Everybody's got a thing, but some don't know how to handle it. Always reaching out in vain, just taking the things that we have. And don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing, mama. 'Cause I'll be standing on the side when you check it out. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about it. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing, mama. 'Cause I'll be standing on the side and you check it out.
What happened? You changed your mind?
It just died.
Did you put gas in it?
Yeah, no, I think it must have sucked up a diaper or something.
Gross. Try it again. You want me to call AAA?
Come on around and let me hop on with you.
I don't know. What if you break mine too? Then we'll both be sitting ducks.
I didn't break it, it just died.
Yeah. All right, hop on.
Scoot back.
Hitch, I'm already here.
Well, yeah, but you don't know where we're going.
Well, why don't you tell me, and then we'll both know.
Sarah?
Man, male egos. I don't know how you guys make it through the day with them.
What? No, it is not my ego. I don't want to ruin the surprise. Sarah! Sarah! I'm sorry. Are you all right? I'm sorry.